All right, hey, back with another one. Decided I would do one more today, hopefully go a little bit quicker because I got into the basics last time. So now this time I can just get right into the challenge. So here's another 8Q. This one's called All-Star Code Challenge number 18. So directions. Create a function that accepts a string and a single character and returns an integer of the count of occurrences the second argument is found in the first one. If no occurrences can be found, a count of 0 should be returned. So what this is doing is it's looking at this word right here. This function will take two arguments, a string and a letter. It's going to look at that string, which would be this right here, that hello. And then it's going to look at this O, and it's going to see how many times it appears in that string. So let's take this, paste it in here. We will do a quick test. Actually, hold on. Just make sure we're connected. Cool, we're good. Okay, console log, hello. Let's get our, oops. Let's do string count, and let's just throw the arguments in the console log this time. So we're going to look for, or I will follow the example with an O. Okay. O. All right, hello and O. We're going to look in hello and count how many times O appears in that string. So first thing, if you're doing a counting function, always start with a counter and set it to 0. So let count equal 0. If I were to return count right now, we got 0. Okay, so we gotta increment that counter, and we're going to increment it by counting how many times O appears in hello. So first thing I was thinking for this one was we take our string and we split, and we will split it at nothing this time. So let's see what that gives us. Oops. Hold on. String, oops, 2 equal. Sorry. String 2. Okay, cool. So that works. We can just look over this string at the moment, though. So I'm going to use a for each for this one. I'm going to split it, and then for each element in the string, or in the array, because it's now split into an array, for each one, we're going to look at each element, which is x. We'll do a little inline function. So x, if x is equal to the letter being the second argument right here, which is this O in our case. So if each element in the array, and we're talking these being each elements, the H, E, L, L, O. So we're looking over those when I'm talking about this X element right here. The X are the letters within our array of H, E, L, L, O. So we're going to look over each one with this for each. And if the element is equal to the letter, then we will just add to our counter, count plus plus. And if it's not, do nothing. And we are not seeing the counter because I'm not returning the counter. Return count 1. Okay, so let's just test that a bit ourselves. Let's add another O. 2. 7. Okay. Let's test another letter. L. 2. Okay. Let's test E. Once, one time appearing in the array. Okay, cool. So let's take this one, copy it, go to Codewars, paste it in, hit save, passed all tests, and then that was just the test. So let's attempt it. And cool, we are all done. All right, see you in the next one. Thanks.